Justice BR Gavai took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India. President Murmu administered the oath of justice. Gavai will have a tenure of just over 6 months. He is the first Buddhist CJI and only the second Chief Justice from the Scheduled Caste community. Ashmit gets us a brief profile of India's 52nd Chief Justice.
Justice BR Gavai today marks history as he gets set to become the first Buddhist Chief Justice and only the second Chief Justice from the Scheduled Caste community. A fact he would acknowledge after assuming charge by greeting lawyers with the salutation, Jai Bhim. Interestingly, he also assumes charge just a couple of days after Buddh Purnima. Now, President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath to Justice BR Gavai this morning as India's 52nd Chief Justice, only the second Dalit Chief Justice of India. Now, Justice Gavai began his legal journey as a lawyer in 1985 in Maharashtra. He was elevated as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court in 2003 and confirmed as a permanent judge in 2005. He earned the confidence of the Supreme Court Collegium and was elevated to the Supreme Court in 2019. Now, since his elevation to the top court, he's been a busy bee, part of over 700 benches and authored over 300 judgments, including those by constitution benches of 5 judges or more. Now, in this journey to the chair of the Chief Justice, he has been part of some of the most landmark cases in recent memory. In December of 2022, Justice BR Gavai, as a part of a 5-judge bench, ruled that public servants can be tried and prosecuted even if direct evidence is not available. The Supreme Court ruled that in cases of bribery, even circumstantial evidence would be enough to determine guilt. The very next month, in January of 2023, Justice BR Gavai ruled in favour of the government decision of 2016 for demonetization. Later, in 2023, in August of that year, Justice BR Gavai protected Rahul Gandhi from disqualification from the parliament by staying a trial court decision convicting the Congress leader in a defamation case. In December of 2023, in a 5-judge bench judgment, Justice BR Gavai upheld the Parliament's power to abrogate Article 370 and revoke Jammu and Kashmir's special status. In February of 2024, Justice Gavai changed the complexion of political funding in India. As a part of a constitution bench, he struck down electoral bonds by questioning the secrecy in funding. In August of 2024, a 7-judge bench, including Justice Gavai, allowed states to introduce sub-quotas under the SC/ST quota. It was celebrated for paving the way to better implementation of reservations by state governments. And more recently, in November of 2024, Justice Gavai passed a strongly worded order clamping down on bulldozer demolition for punishing the accused and their family even before conviction. Now, Justice BR Gavai is taking over in the immediate aftermath of confidence crisis post the discovery of cash at Justice Yashwant Verma's house. He will also have to hit the ground running on polarizing issues like the Waqf Act. He's looking at a challenging 6 months ahead.
That is India's 52nd Chief Justice. Ashmit, many thanks for joining us.